Hi, today we'll discuss about challenges for wireless sensor network. So the challenges for wireless sensor network means what are the requirements we needed for wireless sensor network. So first characteristic requirement is a types of service. So in our communication network, we are going to move the information as a bit from one place to another place. So we need a new plagiarism for using such a network or record. So we need a new model or a new interfacing, a new way of thinking about the service of network. So we need only the answer, not a number. The second is quality of service. So we know the traditional quality of service requirement is one is will be a delay, other will be a minimum bandwidth. And next is we need a very high reliable requirement, and the packet delivery ratio is a insufficient matrix. And the amount and quality of the information is also very important in wireless sensor network. The next thing is fault tolerance. To tolerance the node failure, redundancy deployment is very necessary. So using more nodes, that would be strictly necessary if all the node function correctly. The next one is lifetime. As we know, lifetime will be a very important parameter for wireless sensor network. That is, this will be a very important figure of metrics. Lifetime, if we are considering for wireless sensor network now, it will be a battery. So the definition of the lifetime is depend upon the application at hand. So lifetime can be a time until the first node get fails, or time until the 50% of node fails, or the network partitions into two. And next characteristic is scalability. As we know, scalability is meaning will be a large. So the wireless sensor network might include a large number of nodes. So what happens? The OS architecture and the protocol must be able to scale to this number. The next thing is wide range of densities. So the number of nodes per unit area, the density of the network can be vary. For different type of application, we have a different node density. So the density can vary over the time and the space because the node get failed or moved. The next one is programmability. So we need necessary for each node necessary programmability, because the necessary of the node is to process your information. So there will be a flexibility on changing in their tasks. So those nodes should be programmable, and their programming must be changeable during the operation when the new task became important. We know one sensor node will collect your temperature, one is pressure, one is sound. So what happens? Each sensor node will have a different type of task. So based on that, a programmability also should be get changeable during your new task. This is a programmability. That is a fixed way of information processing is insufficient. Your next one is maintainability. So it have to maintain its own health and the status to change operational parameters or to choose a different trade-off. And the network have to maintain itself able to interact with external maintenance mechanism to ensure it extended operation at the required quantity. Maintainability, now each node should have to check its own health condition. It should monitor its own health and status to change its operational parameters. So this is all the characteristic requirement of your wireless sensor network. It will be under your challenges of your wireless sensor network. Thank you.